Welcome, today I've heard of Mi Keyboard P50 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's just open the Play Store, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why I tap to install, and after that just wait a couple of seconds while this application will downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then tap twice to OK, and after that just go back. After that, click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go for example to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the same address. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.